In this video, we're gonna go through Axiom Pro, which is one of the best meme coin trading platforms currently available, and I'm gonna showcase you the different features and the different stuff you can basically do on here, which makes it different from some other platforms and makes it, in my opinion, a bit better just because it's much more convenient. So, in case you don't have an Axiom Pro account yet and you want to follow along, there's a link below down in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So, make sure to check that out, you will not regret it. So let's begin. Now, what Axiom actually is, it's, as I said, a meme coin trading platform, and it has a ton of different premium features you can use on here for absolutely for free. So let's check out some of them. Now, the first one I think is gonna be this one, which is the wallet tracker. Now, a lot of people usually like having some tracked wallets, so you can do this on Axiom very easily. Over here, you can just click on trackers, wallet manager, and then you can just add different wallets and then track them in real time via viewing the live trades over here. So that's the first thing. And then here on the right, you have the Twitter alerts and the Twitter tracker. So what you can do is just customize your feed, add in different handles if you want to, and then you can basically monitor what you want to hide and what you want to show, and you can just see your Twitter alerts in real time. Now, they've also got this feature where you can have the wallet tracker on your screen at any time if you click down below over here, and you can also have your Twitter tracker, and you can even pin it to your screen so you don't have to have it as an overlay. You can have it over here on the left, or maybe even on the right if you want that, and that's pretty much how that works. So it's very powerful and very quick to set up, and it will help you find those better coins. Now, those are the first two things. Then what we also have over here is the wallet, multi-wallet manager, and if I go to portfolio over here and then wallets, as you can see, I actually have a multi-wallet portfolio because I can just enable different wallets, and you can do that anywhere as well because you can simply activate or deactivate wallets whenever you want and then use as many of them as you could possibly want. And not only that, they also have the turbo mode. And if I activate this over here, as you can see, it will automatically adjust your ratio of priority fee and bribe fee to beat out other transactions. And basically, it will give you the best chances of success because it's gonna give you essentially faster fills and faster transactions. Now, this is also one of the best features they have, and they've just added this. This is brand new. They also have this P&L tracker over here. You can basically see your P&L, profits and losses. You can even change its appearance if you don't like it the way it is over here, and then completely customize it according to your own standards. Now, of course, if you don't have any Solana, you can also deposit it on here to this address or just buy it directly on Axiom. I think the limit is 500 USD per day, and you can buy it right on here without any KYC, and they're also powered by Coinbase, which of course makes for a fast and secure transaction. Now, after, of course, all the features we're going to check as well, we have the Discover feed over here, we have the DEX screener and the trending coins, and then where the magic happens, it is inside the polls part. Now, over here, you can see the new pairs, so new coins coming out. You can see the final stretches and the migrated coins. All of these can have different filters. If I click over here, you can filter them by different things. And I think they're the only platform right now which also enables the Bunk protocol. So you can just enable it if you want to. And then you can also change different from minimum to maximum of age of the coins, stop holders, etc. So you can do a lot of things in here. You can check this out for yourself and set yourself some filters to help you filter out some of those scammy meme coins that you may come along. Now, in here, next to each and every single coin, you can see basically Twitter. So this X icon, it will show you based on what meme this was created. And then over here, you'll be able to see the website, the Telegram group. You'll see where it was created. For example, this one was from Pump Fun. You can also search it, as you can see on X if you want to. And then you can see the amount of holders, you can see the pro traders as well as dev migrations. Down here, these icons will show you top 10% of holders, the dev holding, the snipers holding, and then as well as the insiders holding and the bundle holding. So you have a lot of different options over here, and if you actually end up going into one of these coins, they have this instant trade options, which basically allows you to trade with your keyboard. So you hold down your spacebar key and then press whichever button you want for a quicker basically buy. So you don't have to click over here every single time you want to buy or sell. They also have the advanced trading strategies like the take profits and stop losses over here, which is also amazing. And then you can see basically everything going on down below over here. They have the trading view charts, which makes, of course, for the best chart experience, because trading view is known for one of the best charts on the market. So you can set your indicators, you can draw different strings, and then that's pretty much that. So of course there's a bunch of different features as well, like the rewards program, where you can refer people and get basically get a percentage of the fees they have to pay because you referred them. And this is also very, very good because you can make some passive income this way, and a lot of different yield and perpetual management over here. You can also trade perpetuals and stuff like that. So that's pretty much it when it comes to Axiom. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.